Hey there, it's Jess. Happy October. I have a promo for you, and it is this cute free owl pendant. So this is an artisan copper, which is solid copper owl, and you're going to get the owl with this beautiful light Colorado topaz preciosa crystal drop and our natural brass 1.5-inch eye pin. So this is available to customers shopping vintaj.com, our DIY collection, and for orders $50 or more on the retail site. And it will automatically add to your cart when you reach that level, and you'll see details as you're shopping. So what we're going to do is take this owl, it already comes with a jump ring, and I'm using our 1.5 millimeter hole punch pliers. I'm going to add a hole to the bottom center of the owl. Just simply squeeze and push, and you can see that creates the hole there. And then I'm going to take the eye pin and string it. This is a top drilled bead. String it through, and I'm going to use my pliers to gently grip the loop of the eye pin to bring up above the crystals. So this is where you have to be careful because it's very delicate, that point. Straighten that out, and then go ahead and bend the rest of the wire over and cross it, and then bring it around. Our natural brass is very soft and malleable, so it's easy to work with. Okay, I'm just going to trim this little section and then use my chain nose pliers to open that loop like that and string it through the hole in the owl and then close it back up. So that's simple, super quick, fun, fall-inspired pendant. You can simply add it to a piece of chain or a beaded strand, leather, or hang it from something. But go ahead and check out all the fall-inspired designs at vintaj.com. Happy designing.